Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, May the 17th, 2022. In this edition we have 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. I will solve 5 puzzles. I will solve, and those puzzles I've already solved are the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary. So now 2 puzzles are left: the killer Sudoku, the Sudoku mix, and the Tectonic with 4 stars. Let me continue with the Tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be number 4565. 4565. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Well, 13, I do not know. Maybe it's an easy one, maybe it's a hard one. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Do we see here dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we see here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes. I can see any triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Let me scan. Quadra boxes also. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape upside down. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Oh, overlooked this quadra box. Well, when you see a quadra box in an L shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, remember that the inside box, this box, the inside box, is always a 5. Overlook this one, yes. Then the following shape, we have only 1 T shape, the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. All right. When you see the Z construction, or S, if you flip this or mirror this figure or shape, then you have the S. So in this Z construction or Z shape figure, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right, the Z construction. Overlook this T shape. We have 2 T shapes. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Yeah, upside down, this one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape. How about that? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the L shape. Do we have more here? L shape. Upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And the last shape, yeah. This one. Or do we have more L shapes? No L shapes. This one, let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, maximum of 6 shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 here, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And that box is also connected with this box. Should be also a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Then. Let me see. These are 3 boxes surround a 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here. Could be there. If I place the 5 here in this box, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 there, so it's not a solution to place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 number. Oh, these 2 boxes should be a 2. Yeah, almost made a mistake. I've overlooked this box. I thought I have filled those of I thought this box also filled in. Okay, so this box could be a 2, but also that box could be a 2. Well. Okay. Let me see. Well. The difficult part. This box cannot be a 3, and this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. Oh, right. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can also not be a 3 with a double 2 and double 3 there. Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can it be 1? So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Well, this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be 1? So the 1 could be here. Could be there. Then this box can be a 3 and this box can also not be a 1, so the 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. So 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, could be a 4, yeah. Cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2, yeah, should be here. So if I made a mistake earlier, well, seems it's not a mistake. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 and a 3, okay. Let me think. This box, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. In this quarter box, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Can it be a 3? We have a double 3 there. Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shape area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah. 5. Well, these 4 boxes are connected with each other, but it cannot be a 5, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left, the 3. Yes, yeah, cannot be a 1, cannot be 2. Oh, this box, yeah. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, it could be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yeah, the 3. Okay, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And that box is connected with this box, should be also a 3. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Interesting. 2 and the 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 and a 5. Okay, this box cannot be a 2 and this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes here. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, is this a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one with 6, maximum 6 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Yes. I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you later with the other puzzle, the last puzzle of today. A killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.